Hi everyone, welcome back. We just covered the AWS console overview, right? And we have just seen this is called regions, and various services are deployed under regions. So whenever we want to create any new resource, first we need to select a region. And there are few resources which are not bound for any region. I mean, this region drop down will be disabled for them. So because they are globally in nature. Okay, but let's talk about region more. What is this region? Okay, so regions are nothing but the cluster of data centers. So we know what is data center. Data center is nothing but the physical location of server where the servers are located, right? And of course they are located to some geolocation, correct? That geolocation that itself is a region. So okay, and there can be multiple data centers within a region. So for example, US East North Virginia, which is US-East-1. It is a region. Let me enable the pen because I really want to highlight it. So this is the region. Okay, there is no alphabet here, right? The US East 1. This is a region. Okay, and under US it's a region. US East Ohio is another region. This is another region. This is another region, right? These are the regions. And what reason is right for me? Of course, sometime it is because of compliance, because of some rules, GDPR rules, etc. is one of the example. My users are from Europe, so my server should also be hosted on Europe region. That's why I should select resources from Europe region. That can be one thing. Proximity, maybe all my user are from region who are going to access my web application. It's good idea to have resources also, the servers also from US hosted, so that there will be less latency. Okay, and third thing is, like I explained in my previous video, there are few services which are not available in all region but are in few. So we have to have selected one of those region only because I need to use that service. And pricing varies region to region. Maybe in US region it is more costly, but if we select the Asia region, then it is less costly. So according to that also, sometime we decide which region is better for me. Okay, and under region we have the another thing comes, which is availability zone. So each zone is equal to one or more data center, right? So what will happen? So for example, I have selected this region, and then I will have more availability zones. So these are nothing but data centers within one region. So one data center, another data center, and another data center. And the difference is, if we see, this is not ending with alphabet. So if you don't see any alphabet, it means it's a region. But if we see any alphabet ending with A, B, C, etc., it means it's a data center. It means it's a availability zone. And we will cover in more videos that why we need that. It's just sometime we this whole concept of cloud comes when we want data reliability. If something goes wrong with one of the data center, but I still my application to be up and running, so what I will do, I will, whatever resources I have, maybe this data center goes down because the resources are copied over, or the resources are cloned to another data center, so that the availability is 100%. So my resources will serve me from this data center, from this availability zone. We will cover more details on availability zones, why we need that, and what is the proper use case. Okay, yeah, so that's it in this video. Stay connected. Thank you so much for watching.